In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for Intel updates. This is an essential skill that helps keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. Regular updates ensure that your Intel hardware functions optimally and securely. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you will need to download and install the Intel Driver and Support Assistant, commonly referred to as Intel DSA. You can find this by searching for it on the Intel website or simply through your web browser. The installation process is straightforward. Once you find the download link, click on it and the file will begin downloading. After the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on it to start the installation. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen to complete the installation. This step is crucial as the Intel DSA is designed to help you manage and update your drivers efficiently. Once that is done, open the Intel Driver and Support Assistant from the Start menu or your system tray. You can easily find it by typing Intel in the Start menu search bar. Clicking on the icon will launch the application. When it opens, you will see a user-friendly interface that provides various options. This tool is designed to streamline the process of checking for updates. By using this application, you ensure that your drivers are always up to date without having to search for them manually. Next up, select the option to check for new drivers within the Intel DSA application. You will often see a button labeled Check for New Drivers. Click on this, and the software will begin scanning your system for any available updates. This process might take a few moments, but it is worth the wait. It ensures you are aware of all the latest updates available for your Intel hardware. Staying updated is essential as it can enhance performance and provide security patches. After the scan is complete, review any available updates that appear on the screen. The Intel DSA will list the updates that are pertinent to your system. You might see a variety of updates including drivers for graphics, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other components. Take a moment to read through these updates. Understanding what they are for can help you decide which ones are necessary for your device. If you notice any critical updates, these should be prioritized as they often contain important fixes or enhancements. Click Download and Install to update your Intel drivers and software. Once you hit this button, the process will initiate and you will see a progress bar indicating the download and installation status. This step is vital because it ensures that your system is equipped with the latest features and security improvements. You can sit back and relax while the application handles everything for you. This makes sure your changes are saved and applied properly. Now, if you prefer another method, you can also check for updates through the Intel website. Start by visiting the Intel Driver and Support Assistant page. You can do this by typing the web address into your browser, https://www.intel.com/colon/t/us/en/support/detect.html. This page offers a direct route to check for updates without needing to have the software installed. It's a useful alternative, especially if you encounter issues with the application. From there, install or launch the Intel Driver and Support Assistant again. If you choose to install it from the website, follow the same simple installation steps as mentioned earlier. If you have it already, just launch the application. Allow it to scan your system for updates. This scanning process is similar to the one we did earlier and will help you identify any available updates for your system. Finally, download and install any recommended Intel updates that appear after the scan. You might find a list similar to what we saw in the Intel DSA application. Following these steps ensures your system runs efficiently with the latest updates installed. Keeping your drivers updated is crucial for optimal performance and security. This little step saves you a lot of time later. Thank you for watching and happy updating.